Shit, she just said, the man, hold up. That man just said, Santa gonna be in the bed with you, move your ass over. That dog somewhere. What a dog?
Paws is bigger than your hand. My paws is bigger than your hand. And she stood up, she got up on me. I'm like, woo! She ain't nowhere around Curtis. She's in Denver. She's in Denver. The dog is in Denver, Colorado. Almost 2,000 miles away. So the dog is not here.
I should have brought her.
Oh, hell no. What you brought her?
Hell no! Mama!
Huh?
Hell no!
I'm there.
My kids folks wouldn't even been here if you brought her.
So
You see the same motherfuckers in here that walking in
you bring that big ass horse in here, my little ass wouldn't come. I ain't going. Motherfucker only eat bone and meat. I'm only skin and bone. Y'all bones and meat, damn it. Y'all ain't going. Hell no. You know what? Bring that motherfucking dog up here. I ain't never going. I ain't never come visit you.
I see you in the weekend half.
Hell no. I'd rather go to rehab for a dog than come visit you. Fuck all that. I ain't going. Motherfucker already ready to run the mama room and tell that big ass dog. I ain't got time.
I'm talking you can bring the little dog around.
So what? Little, big, small, medium, them motherfuckers bite. I ain't going.
I'll bring my little toy Pomeranian too.
he about
He's
like
only 3 pounds.
Well, he like this here
That
by himself.
motherfucker can be 1 pound.
That was a good look.
Gone.
That's a good look.
It
He
can be
said,
a newborn.
I don't give a
ain't
fuck.
fucking with that.
he looked like, I don't give a fuck.
I don't fuck with them dog.
I'm burning back, man.
I ain't burning that, but I don't fuck with dog. Nigga, I'll leave your ass. Yo, I can be rolling. I will leave your ass while you driving. I will run past
So
your
they tell
car.
me you ain't coming to my house.
Hell no. You got a big ass dog. Mama just said that motherfucker same way.
You know what? Kurt,
Mama just said that motherfucker
Hey.
same tall as me.
the only thing you need to worry about, it ain't my dogs. It's me.
No. He's like, whatever. I'll deal with you.
I ain't got to convince y'all now. I got to worry about the wife and the dog, and that motherfucker stand tall as me. Oh hell no!
It's taller than her too.
That might be a midget, but the dog tall. Fuck all that. I ain't going. No. And then she just said, I gotta worry about her instead of the dog. So which one gonna touch me when I touch the dog?
The
The dog gonna touch you.
That's why I ain't coming.
The dog gonna
That
touch you.
motherfucker probably stand up and knock on the door. Who needs it?
Oh, she wants to? Yeah.
Is she? Yes, I'm running.
It's a she.
No.
See?
I
I've been
know.
going to eat you.
They eat people even more. No. No.
It's a she.
No. They get to eat. They don't like people. I ain't gonna be able to do it. No, I ain't gonna be able to do it. They got that shit. They got damn shit. No. No, Lord.
She's friendly.
Friendly my ass.
She does.
Last time I heard a she-dog was friendly, then they killed somebody. I ain't gonna do it.
She a big old teddy bear.
Joe, that's all big
That's
old
all
teddy
teddy
bear.
bear,
No,
yeah.
not my big old teddy bear. That's y'all. That's y'all teddy bear.
That's all I tell you.
I can take a look. Nah, I ain't gonna come see y'all. No, I ain't gonna.
You can stop on by.
I know.
Sure about that?
Where you going?
I'm doing my.
What's wrong?
They come out dog niggas. I can't go see them. I can't go see them. Me and the dog can look out. It's already bigger than me. So I'ma look. I'ma tell that dog, I'm sorry for coming visiting your family.
The fucking news channel gonna be on.
That dog gonna bite me before I can even say hi.
No.
I got too much fear of me a dog. Mama, I'm not gonna do that.
That's why they bought you, because you got fear.
Mama.
Hey, I got a problem
Mama,
with
they
Obama's
too
plane
big.
flying over my house.
Huh?
I got a problem with Obama's plane flying over my house, and you afraid of fucking couple of dogs?
You don't know Obama got y'all problem.
Listen,
You keep your Obama problem to yourself. I'm gonna keep the dog problem to myself. I don't like dogs.
You know, thank you very much.
I just told you I don't like.
Actually, got a
You
problem
with
with
your own
the
goddamn.
Air Force is flying over his house.
No.
Jets, helicopters, airplanes.
They might drop a
All
dog.
over our
Ain't
house.
going. They might drop a sentence. A dog that can't sing. Ain't going.
They only do it during the day. They don't do it at night.
Mom, I kind of confused.
My baby.
About that big ass dog.
It's a baby.
That ain't no damn baby. That dog bigger. That ain't no baby.
She just.
Mama, y'all go on a trip. Go out. That's a
I like that shit.
big
But it's quiet all the time.
Right.
But then
All you gotta do is say, Zach, what you doing, girl?
Look.
Livens you up on the weekend a little bit. Then get you
alive.
go out.
I want some legs.
Mama, look, the dog gonna kill me. I ain't going. No.
That's what it is.
Hey, Tosh, you wouldn't believe Kirk pulled up his leg, paying leg to my mama, look.
That's a big ass dog.
The ship.
I look.
Know each other long.
I look.
That type of shit.
I can't come see y'all. Look, I ain't got that much meat.
Oh, homie.
I ain't got that much. I ain't got your dog.
She look at you, she be like this.
No. She be like, come here, give me you snack.
Nope, she gonna push you away.
Hate
No,
you the
she
snack.
gonna be like, motherfucker, I got milk bottle for you.
See what I'm saying?
So she ain't gonna touch you. She'd rather have her milk bones because you ain't got enough meat. So she don't want you.
She gonna smell us fear in a motherfucker like me, and she gonna be like, yeah, that's my motherfucking bomb right there. I'm gonna bury this nigga right now. I'm gonna be in every place in the backyard. Ain't gonna find no bone, but you gonna find a little piece of meat. I ain't going. Wait. The dog says you.
Yeah, she could kiss me like nose to nose. Put her hands right here. See, come here. Let me show you something good. She put her paws like this. You see how tall I am?
You see how tall you is?
Where's the short? That's my dog.
I come see y'all last. Almost passed the fuck out of this shit. No!
That's my dog.
Hell no! My motherfucker gonna tell. Y'all seen what my brother just told me? That motherfucker said the dog will slap you on your shoulder up here and say, nigga up. Fuck wrong with you? I'll be blessed the fuck out. That dog is, but he taller than me, he gonna kiss me on the forehead.
It's a she.
That ain't right.
It's a she.
She
loves men.
They got a dog there.
She love men.
No, she don't.
I ain't gonna be able to get away. Hold the fuck up, time now. Y'all got a girl dog.
She don't love me.
And he got 3
What the hell I'm gonna come in your phone? She don't love you.
She don't love me.
And one of them is
Big
mad.
ass dog.
I ain't going.
I can know it.
Here she gonna sit
It's
down.
big though, you feel me?
I'm gonna make me jump the fuck over the hill. Come on, man. Put the damn dog.
That's why I got respect that. I hope, you know, she don't.
It's a girl.
Oh, hell no. I ain't jumping to that. This ain't stupid. No. That motherfucker looks like he'll eat
Honey, YouTube.
No. I ain't never going there. They better come keep
And
on
it's gonna be called Man Afraid of Dogs.
That dog look like he will eat.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
No. Oh, hell no. That motherfucker look like he got a mouth that'll be a whole human being at one bite. I ain't going out there.
The kid's rider.
That's a what? Hey, oh no! Hey!
And then when she come up to me,
The kids run at that dog.
that's a
There's a difference from my dog. I had a German Shepherd. The hot dogs.
See, I thought you were afraid of the restaurant. I never changed it every time they come out there.
That's all I want to
I wish I
do.
had one here now. If I can go to before I
then
leave,
after that
go
she
to
starts
truck stop.
shaking.
Yeah.
Be around by
I'm like,
But you see, girl,
Mammy go to the truck stop store and have
what's wrong with it? Do you see how big that motherfucker head is?
Basically, all you feel me, I can get
That
that. At least I can study that early. You feel me? So when it comes
There's another dog right there.
That ain't got nothing to do with that. And that motherfucker just got bigger all of a
it'll
sudden.
be better.
Hell, he hungry. Brother, kill him.
It's a girl. It ain't no he. It's a she.
Well, that too. Shit.
Real quick,
It make me nervous.
Get in my head like a fucking.
Okay, this little dog.
and I can talk to you on the phone or whatever you need to talk to you.
I ain't got that much to say about it. But them motherfuckers bite you in your ankle.
In trouble.
Which one? Oh, he ain't got no teeth.
And I want that's my goal.
He ain't got no teeth.
What about
What is he gonna do? Gum you to death?
You might as well say, cause the gums hurt too, damn it. Y'all think girls don't hurt blacks and whites and Mexicans, Puerto Ricans and all that shit. We get bit. And we always talking about something. It was the trainer. It was the trainer. Shit, it wasn't the trainer. It was that motherfucking dog getting his revenge off of dumb man. Ain't shit. I ain't going. I got bit by a pit bull. That's why I'm like dog right now today.
All of my dogs are teddy bears. They're lap dogs. They love you.
Not me. But she gonna tell me a motherfucking dog. It's a lab. They love me.
Ready because I feel like
Dogs don't love me,
I'm
do they?
ready. I'm tired of this.
Them motherfuckers do not love me. They smell of filth.
You got the
That's all they do.
I gotta stop smoking.
Come on with that big ass dog. You gonna have to
It's
stop.
called YouTube Man Afraid of Dog.
You gotta stop flashing the damn pictures like that. That's not cool. Okay, I can look from a distance. Don't be pushing that motherfucker out the my face.
Huh?
That's not cool.
Soon as I'm done, soon as he done.
What? What's going on?
I need to stop. I'm done then. I thought you were sorry.
And you telling me that motherfucker open his mouth, it's over. It's over, baby. Oh, man, I ain't even been.
I love the facial expressions.
Hey, that ain't right. And that woman come out there and say, no. The little one bite me on my ankle, and the other one just ate me up my ankle. That's what. That little one bite, I ain't gonna be able to run no more. I'm gonna get that whole time ankle on there. What?
Man Afraid of Dog.
Yeah, right. This ain't right.
We up to 14 minutes.
Well, y'all doing it to me. I was just telling us the hot dog. They want me to come see if they dog.
As soon as I get done.